Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Today is Fleur de Ville's day. I'm butchering it, but it's fine. I'm looking for the maps they give out for these right now, not having a lot of success. And then we're going to the little cafe on Robson Street. It is very loud, I am aware. That's what happens when you vlog outside in the city. Here is a lovely Christmas tree, and there are some of the installations. I'm meeting a friend, which is why I'm hustling a little bit, but gotta stop and see these beauties. Get me first and then you'll get the pretty flowers. Okay. Look, there's one. There's a sleigh.
Look at the blurry flowers.
But there's like 40 of them around. I don't know which number this one is, but this one is number 21. Bye. Doggy. To the cafe. There's so many on the way, so I couldn't just like stop. And I'll show her these later. Is it a like Ferrero Rocher on the top, or?
I don't know.
It's like gold
it's chocolate
flakes. But it's got gold flakes on it. Interesting. You taste the espresso?
Yes.
You're 2 shots.
It's very cool. It's very coffee.
That was an intense coffee taste.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna be buzzing. Thank you. Is this your sandwich here? Oh, okay.
Try it.
Oh yeah. It tastes like Ferrero Rocher. Like, it reminds me of that.
Oh, that's good.
It's a sourdough. It's a sourdough grilled cheese.
Yeah.
We're trying the viral croissants. We're doing it. Except for I had to settle for matcha, which is fine. I wanted Nutella, but it's fine.
I'm sorry.
They weren't gonna have any.
Yeah,
No, it's totally fine. So we got the 2 matchas, and then we got the same thing. That sourdough toasty? Is that what it was called? Or sourdough?
Sourdough. Oh God.
Sourdough.
Something sourdough melt.
It was just a sourdough melt, I
Yeah.
think. Great. Here, let me show you.
You took a screenshot?
I did, but I didn't use it as like a thumbnail or anything. I used it and I was gonna send it to you, and then I didn't, because I was like, I'm just gonna show you because I'm seeing you tomorrow. But my face says so much about like. All right. How is it? Is it good? Is it just
good.
a croissant?
No, it's very good. I'm gonna try this melt first though. I'm gonna use that as my dessert.
Pastry's really good. Something about a slightly burnt croissant, even though it's not actually burnt.
This is just a sourdough grilled cheese.
I love it though.
Oh my goodness.
Because the matcha just kind of tastes like grass.
Matcha?
Yeah.
Is that what you think it tastes like?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Tastes like grass.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine. There's so much
and
of it
scrape it
untouched
off.
by matcha. So it'll touch like this part on every side.
Oh, I see.
But like this part's not touched by it.
Well, I mean, you could always just try and scrape it. I have napkins. Try and scrape it off.
Oh yeah, so it's in the top and the bottom. You're just gonna get more of this, it's fine.
Make it comfortable.
The pastry is really good. After 2 hours waiting for croissants, we are now going to embark on looking at these, because that's the real reason we came out today. But obviously the least time consuming. True Sephora day. This is my camera. This is a really nice brush. Is this one of the Sephora brushes?
Yes, it's 30% off.
Oh yes, I would be seeing this.
But I don't know if it's still, it's been sold out like.
Oh, that makes sense. Such a nice one. Yeah, if you have any, I'll take one.
It's 57. this one here. Oh no, here. Oh yeah, we have.
Oh wow.
This one.
And the 30% off?
Yes.
Perfect. Then I'm just gonna take one now. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much for your help. Yes, thank you too. Thank you. I'm surprised my GoPro's still alive. It's at 20%. Oh, it's warm. Of course it is. It was on your head. Ooh, my watch is red because it's mad. It's really, really mad. It's such a low charge. We are back. I didn't really summarize at the end of yesterday's video, but that was our last hockey game of the year, which means no game until January. But yeah, they got shut out. But honestly, dogs, that was the highlight of last night. Plus, we made a lot of really good friends because our jerseys are wonderful conversation starters, as we are Lost fans at every game. And we are wearing colors nowhere near the Canucks colors. I got to the cafe like a little before 12. We waited for like 2 hours? No, solid hour and a half. We ate for a while, we hung out, and then we went and saw the flowers before it started getting dark. So fortunately I'm home now and we have a really nice dinner planned with our friends later, so I'm super psyched about that. And I bought the Lee's donuts, which is also really great because I've never had them before, and I'm sure they're just donuts, but like people wait hours outside of Granville Island, like their main store. So figured we'd bring them as a nice little dessert for tonight and grab a couple of other pastries and goods from Brecca on the way. But yeah, I've been having a really nice day. Got a lot of really nice pictures from all the flowers, and we didn't even see all of them. We probably saw like 20 out of the, what I would assume are over 40 different installations this time of year, because just looking at the numbers, and one of them was like 39. I was like, wow, there are lots. And as you saw, I went to Sephora and picked up some really great stuff. So I will probably test those tomorrow because I need a nap. But you saw that I got a new concealer, which I really, really like. I bought a concealer brush, which I've never had. She really packed on that concealer. I usually only put like 1 or 2 dots on it. So yeah, there was a huge sale for 20% off everything and then 30% off of the Sephora collection. Unfortunately, the only thing that I really wanted that I went in for was my eyeliner that they didn't have because they sold out of it because it was a Sephora collection item. So being the last day of the sale, didn't have any of those left. It's fine. I tried a lot of other things and only spent about $100. So I'll do that haul tomorrow because we're going out to dinner soon and this vlog probably has enough stuff in it already for holiday purposes. So yeah, gonna watch TV, going to eat the croissant, the rest of the croissant I brought home. And like I mentioned earlier, not a matcha fan really at all. It tastes like grass, but I'm going to probably get another one of the Nutella ones and actually eat the whole thing. So I brought home the rest of mine because I wasn't gonna waste my $8 croissant that I bought and then I waited like 90 minutes for. So I brought it back so I could have the rest of it. The pastry itself, pretty top notch. So I really do enjoy like a slightly burnt, really yummy croissant. But yeah, it wasn't my flavor preference, but you don't actually get to pick which one you get because they just come out in batches and they don't have a good system to run it. They blew up beyond what they were capable of doing and now they're trying to scale it up with like new equipment and stuff that they said is coming in this week. So it should all start getting a lot quicker for them, which I'm really happy for them because good for you, small business. Like you popped off on social media, everybody loves it and wants to go and will wait in line for hours to do it. But also they want to do better for their customer base because not everyone's going to want to wait for an hour to 90 minutes to 2 hours every single time they want a croissant, right? Not everyone has the time to do that. So yeah. I just can't believe we did that, but had a really great time.
Caterers, you go.
Yes! How many do you take? 2? 3?
Yeah, I think we're all taking 2 to start.
2 to start.
2 up.
Ribs? How many ribs?
I mean,
3 ribs. Those are
Jake
fine.
took 4.
And you took 3, so well, good to know.
Somewhere around
There are small ones. I don't know the difference.
It's a banging. What was the sauce? Was it like because it looks like Korean barbecue ribs.
As Zadif sees Valkyria like leveling the staff, he's just going to like look up quickly and be like, well,
I hate this.
I've asked for your help before and it seemed to work out. Now would be a good time for this to continue.
Absolutely.
Just go ahead and give me a religion check before we...
Wait, what's that?
He's talking to his god.
8.
You see this spell just form the word lol?
Nope. And what's my, I've got plus...
You need to beat 50 not to instantly die.
No, there's very little chance I instantly die.
Because he can absorb in half and shit.
Yeah, I need to beat 15 to take 0 damage.
Okay.
And I've got a +7 and advantage.
Okay.
So-
That's good. That's
You
good.
have +12. What was the DC to pass?
I'm like
15.
the worst one for Dax.
I got a 25 total.
You gave yourself +5 though, right? Yeah.
So presumably
Dodges a lot. Seems pretty low.
0 damage to Zadif. If it's a dex save.
It is a dex save. It's triple fireball. So
I'm
yeah.
not sure how you evade it, but you do.
Just God.
Because he raged!
Really?
In some manner, he's able to like the barrel just explodes upwards. I guess in his hands, being able to clasp it,
Or
he's
he like
able to
slightly
He fully tucks it.
Yeah, he tucks it.
Yeah, basically just like looking up with his flail and just like cowering away.
Goes around him.
as this thing like fully fucking explodes up. I need dexterity from you two as well, please.
6.
Oh fuck! I thought that was a 1.
That looked very low.
Nice.
You rolled above a 3.
You're still going unconscious.
Rolled above a 3.
Very unconscious, yeah.
So
So my dex is +7 and then +5, right?
yes, 18.
I'm too stressed to
You
do
actually
that.
save, yeah.
You're
Yeah.
good.
Okay,
Yeah.
And then
24 have to save.
great, fantastic.
everyone say it.
Oh, Fritz.
And
Fritz.
Oh, he's falling.
No, he isn't.
I killed the stranger!
Oh. I thought
I'm glad you guys are all alive. I feel
Fritz, you add 0, and do you want to know his total health? Hold on.
No.
Right?
It's bad.
Like the dwarves in like the first
second session.
Yeah, they just got like obliterated
You wrecked him.
by that trap.
You're definitely gonna get fired with Fritz body parts.
Yeah.
Like.
Oh god.
He had a nice.
I mean, Fritz is just dead, basically.
He has a,
Fully vaporized.
Did I have to roll for
Well,
damage?
so
Sorry.
Did you roll my damage or did I?
I'm rolling damage. I've just rolled the damage.
Second time I've been burnt alive in the last like 5 minutes.
Milo is afraid of
Oh,
fire.
you know what? Fritz did hold us to action to be able to. So I'm gonna roll
With it.
with advantage.
so he's got one chance.
Yes. If he fails, he is completely disintegrated.
Oh, no.
And if he succeeds,
He is simply unconscious.
just unconscious immediately.
Natural 15.
He's rolling with advantage, but he adds 0 with his
And you've
dex.
already rolled one dice, so it's
Is he near
effectively
anyone
it's
from
still.
Oh,
Does
his
he
first
get
one was a
5?
fail.
Does he get
So,
5?
yeah.
Is he near you?
So it's
Oh yeah, is he
effectively
close enough to Dardayan to get a
You get
+5?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
So it's effectively a 1 in 4 chance.
And he rolled a 15.
Oh my god. Unconscious Fritz.
About that time, chaps, and you just see like this fireball explodes, and he's just like, you just see he's just like slumped against one of the rails, port side. Everyone that succeeded, which was everyone, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so.
Guys, hey! Have we ever all succeeded on such an important save that we can recall in recent memory?
Everyone that succeeded
I don't think
only
we've had any
takes
disinfo.
43 points of fire damage as
I'm
this thing.
unconscious as fuck.
Down, you're still up, right?
I'm still
Stop.
conscious.
Stop.
You took nothing! That's right!
0.
So we just, okay, so that's where Xander's going, because my turn was next.
Or
To her.
it's still your turn, technically, so you can send Xander as a bonus action.
It also
Xander has his own
succeeded.
turn.
Oh, this-
Succeeded.
Oh,
40 damage.
Does it take any damage?
Takes 43.
43 points of damage.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Oh, but that means Milo would have died if Milo failed, because that would have
Yes.
86.
And that's
Yep.
the end of
Oh,
your
no.
turn, right?
Yeah,
Fully
well, you
vaporized.
can send Xander
Xander's
over
going on his
to-
own turn.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I
Yeah.
told his action last turn. That was all he could do.
So can he jam a potion
That's what he's
in
always
Milo's
done.
mouth? Yeah.
We've done that before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do I, when
So-
I go unconscious,
They do that to you
I just
twice.
have 0?
Yeah. So do you want to
As long as
roll?
you're back up with 1.
You're back up with. You're back up with.
So it's
Oh, sorry, no.
Healing potion.
it's not like you take negative damage, it's just if you
I
get
just
your.
unconscious.
If you, yeah.
So what's the healing?
You get 2 health.
No, you got more. It's
You
2d4
get-
plus 2.
2d4.
So it's
5.
You're at
You get
7
7.
HP.
Oh yay.
Yeah, we'll split it. I also wanna
that's
catch.
28 to hit.
That fucking hits. You might be about to do it.
That's another 12 points of damage.
It had 11 left.
We all
Finish him.
survived.
Like coughs a little bit of ice wind out as it onto the back of the ship.
Woo!
Out of combat.
Oh my
Fuck
god.
yeah!
As you guys look over and you see
You did it, honey.
Zadif doing this. Full disclosure, it rolled a 6 on its recharge, so it was going to fire breath on its next turn. So as you're doing this and you pull that out, you see its like throat kind of lighting up with like a blue flame as it just like and just like fucking drops to the ground.
Is it filming? It is filming. It's the end of Vlogmas Day 10, 11. End of Vlogmas Day 11. It's technically the beginning of Day 12, but I won't tell if you won't. Okay, goodbye.